Hello, all, welcome back. So let's look into the today's lead code problem. The name is Candy, and the problem statement is that we are given a array of rating. This array is we are given ratings of and childrens, and we have to assign means each children is having their assigned a rating value in the integer format, and our task is to distribute candies to each children. Okay, so there are some rules that each children must have at least one candy. Okay, and the second rule is that if the children's rating means if the rating of a children is higher than their neighbor means adjacent neighbor, then children will have m- more candies. Okay, more get get more candies than their neighbor. Okay, and we have to return minimum number of candies I need to distribute. Okay, o- distribute the candies to all the children. Okay, so let's look into the problem here. What will be the problem statement? Let's take one example. Let's say we'll take this one example. Okay, first. So I already discussed the same means. Let's see here. What is the problem statement? Is that okay? Okay, let me just clear it up and explain it again. So let's zoom it out that number. So what will be our intuition that will iterate over this number of array of children. Okay, so we do iteration. Okay, from left to right and from right to left. Okay, we'll do two iteration. Okay, so let's try to visualize what we want to achieve. We have to calculate number of candies and we have to assign minimum one candies. So let's say initially we assign one candies to each children. Okay, let's say one. Okay, now we have to there is a second rule also. If the current children having a more rating than their previous one, then we have to update. So how we check? So for that we'll start. Okay, we'll start from the second. We start from second left children in the list. Okay, and start comparing with their left, immediate left, like let's say three. We are starting from three. If i- we are checking here, is three is greater than their left, what will be its left? Is one. Three is greater than one, yes. Then what will be the minimum candies for this three? Will be is mm, greater than more than their previous one. Okay, so in that case, it he will if let's say write the statement if the current element. Okay, if the current children is having more rating. Okay, more rating than their previous one, previous left. Okay, first we are checking from the left side. Okay, so if the current children is having more rating than the previous left, then what what will be the number of candies is needed? Means minimum candy I have to distribute to current child is current is equal to what previous whatever the previous candy plus one. Okay, so what is need 1 plus 1. This one plus me. Okay, plus 1 is 2, and here is 1, here is 2 plus 1. Now 2, 2 is having 1, no change. 2 is having 1, no change. 1 is having 1, no change. So what will be the final result? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now we start iteration from right. Okay, to the left. So start करेंगे from second last element. So we'll start it from here. We'll check. So what will be the condition? Now here again, if current is find greater than the previous right. Okay, previous right. Okay, then the current element is will become maximum of whatever the maximum of current, either maximum of current or either right plus 1, right plus 1. Okay, so here this 2 is greater than its right, yes, so it will update. So first we'll copy 1 as it is, then 2. For 2 it will be greater than by 1, so it will be 2. This 2, no, so same as it is 1. This 3 is same as it is 2, and this one is 1. So what will be that sum of all of this total is 7. Okay, let's look into for one more example. Let's say this one. Let me copy. Here I am pasting that sum. Okay, so why initially we assign one candies, one, 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 one. Now iterate from left to right. This 51 is greater than, yes, so 1 as it is, this 15 is greater than, then it will be 2. 87, yes, so it will be 2 plus, but 2 plus 1 is 3, is same, then 1. 72, 1. 12 is 1. Now we have to iterate from right. So for 12, 1 as it is. For 72 is greater than, yes, so it will be 2. 487 is greater than, yes, so it will be 3 again. This as it is 3, 51, 2 and 1. So what will be the, now what will be the sum of all candies? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 9 and 3, 12. So this is the minimum candy we have to return. So let's check this 12 candies. So let's look into the problem statement, how we can implement this in our problem. So for that, first we'll take empty array of for storing candies for each children. Okay. Initially we'll initialize this array with 1 because we have to assign minimum 1 candies to each children. Now we have to iterate from left to right. While iterating, we'll check is the rating of the current element is greater than the rating of the previous one. In that case, we'll update the number of candies for the current element is by 1 from the previous one. Similarly, here we'll maintain the answer. Whatever the total candies needed, will update. So it, that answer will be initialized from the rightmost element. Now we'll start iteration from the second rightmost element, and while iteration same second rule, we have to check if the rating of the current children is more than the rating of the previous right one neighbor, then we have to update the candies for each children. Like whatever the maximum candy, new updated candy is maximum current element, or either maximum from the right one plus one. Okay, in that case, then we have to update our answer also. So this is already working all of the test case, and I think this approach very clear to all of you. So I'm wrapping the call here. Thank you.